Usually I have a camera here, but today I've not. So let me just check. I can see from there. Can I see my mobile? Yes, I can. Right. So we'll start again. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. There, Bluetooth on, and we're watching at the bottom. Here we go to setup. You've got phone settings and Bluetooth connection. So the rotary wheel here, we turn to Bluetooth connection. There you go, Bluetooth connection. As I say, it goes the opposite way to the way I think. We'll find an empty. Here we go. So 5's empty. Click on that. Launch pairing from your device and dial BT pin code 0000. That'll probably change to BT hands-free or something. Oh, my radio it's changed to, sorry. So my radio, click on my radio. And then we need to do 000 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Well, I won't. Yes, I will, because I will be using this car for a couple of days while my Range Rover's having the wheels done. So we'll allow that, and that's it connected.